Morning, guys. It's another day and another project. So today we're going to seal my rear fenders. I haven't done it yet because I haven't had time. I finally got everything where I want to be, pretty much on the kooky. So what I did is I went to Garage Star and I bought more rib nuts because I ran out. And then I looked on eBay, and you can get it for literally half the price. I'm not knocking Garage Star, but I wanted it right away, and I ordered a shitload on eBay because, yeah, save money, guys, save money. They're just M6s, M6 security bolts with M6 riv nuts. You can order them on eBay. They're cheaper. Just saying. Not knocking Garage Star. Good products. They sell good shit. But I wanted it now because he's in Sacramento. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off all these rivets because these are just riveted on. And then I'm going to have riv nuts there. And then trying to trade my wing I'm trying to trade my trunk so I can get the OE trunk because I think it looks better. I think. We'll see. And yeah, I'm going to take the riv nuts off. And then I'm going to chop literally all this metal that's in the way, because the way I was trying to seal it I think is stupid, and I'm looking at a bunch of pro drivers and they just cut their shit, literally just cut it, and then you have mounting places. I'm probably just gonna do that and then seal the holes and then stitch weld some stuff, and then yeah, so I'll bring it out throughout the day. And yeah, guys. Hey guys, so I got everything pretty much welded. Now I cut out some pieces of sheet metal, and then we're gonna fill in those big ass gaps with that. Alex was over here putting in work. Okay. Alex putting in work over here.
Trying my hardest.
Yeah.
Burning through everything, so.
Yeah, shit. Good job. Good job, Alex.
I'm not certified or anything, so
yeah, look at that.
it'll be fine.
Hey, they're sealed. I don't give a
This
fuck.
isn't structural, so it's got something.
That's fine. But yeah, we're doing work. We're almost done. We're getting there. But yeah, got the riv nuts. They're in. Oh yeah. Woo! 30. Shaking his head.
Yes.
Oh, I'm fucking tired. So the fenders are fully sealed. I didn't do what the FD guys do. What I did is I just sealed all the stuff. So I welded over everything. Looks like shit, but most of you guys won't see this in person, right? So it's all good. And then I sprayed everything with the Flex Seal shit. I know you guys are gonna give me shit, but on my Protege, if you go to my old videos, this stuff seals fenders. I couldn't even weld back then, and I had some pretty big holes. So what I did is I caulked it, and then I used Flex Seal, and it worked really well. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I hope you didn't kind of enjoyed it. It's a shorter video. Let me know what you think. Have a good day, guys, and peace out.